Jimmy Donaldson, the person the online world knows as MrBeast, is the biggest YouTuber on the planet. And with that popularity comes large sums of money. With over 172 million subscribers, MrBeast is the biggest YouTuber on the planet. Forbes estimated his earnings at a jaw-dropping $54 million in just 1 year, combining ad revenue and sponsorships. If you've ever wondered how MrBeast turned YouTube into a cash cow and became a household name, you're in the right place. In this video, we're breaking down MrBeast's YouTube strategy for earning money, and trust me, there's more to it than just counting to 100,000. Thumbnail magic. Now, let's crack the code behind MrBeast's thumbnails. MrBeast has mentioned it time and time again that the 3 factors that influence whether or not someone clicks on a YouTube video are topic, title, and thumbnail, and the 3 must work together. The successful YouTuber shared a few tips to nailing the video's thumbnail. The power of visual alignment. Thumbnails are like the movie posters of your videos. They should give a sneak peek of the cinematic experience awaiting your viewers. Just like a movie poster entices you with a glimpse of the action, your thumbnail should give a visual hint of what's packed into your video. Whether it's an epic challenge or an exciting revelation, make sure your thumbnail sets the stage for a viewer's curiosity to ignite. The dynamic title thumbnail duo. Brace yourselves for this game changer, the tag team of titles and thumbnails. Think of them as the ultimate dynamic duo. They need to work hand in hand to create an irresistible 1-2 punch. Imagine you're telling a story in a split second. Your title plants the seed of curiosity, and your thumbnail visually backs it up. This harmony is like a secret handshake that makes viewers think, I've got to see what's going on here. The theme connection. Have you ever spotted a thumbnail and instantly knew it was from a certain creator? That's the power of consistent themes. Developing a recognizable style for your thumbnails not only makes your channel stand out, but it also creates a strong bond with your audience. When your viewers can spot your content from a mile away, you've hit the sweet spot. From color schemes to fonts, keep it consistent to create a visual brand that sticks. MrBeast has proven time and time again that the thumbnail will determine how successful the video will be, and it truly makes a difference for the channel. In MrBeast's case, it can be a tens of millions of views difference. Think about it. You can put all your blood, sweat, and tears into a video, but if no one clicks on the thumbnail, no one will see your hard work. Audience over algorithm. This tip is a game changer. Swap out algorithm for audience. Remember, it's not about pleasing an AI, it's about engaging your viewers. The algorithm didn't like that video. No, the audience didn't like that video. At the end of the day, you are creating content because you love, well, creating content. And you want to share this content with as many people as possible. So, instead of thinking what does the algorithm want, consider what your audience wants to see. The more people that watch your video, the more likely it will excite YouTube's algorithm. However, if you only think about creating content that will be pushed by YouTube's algorithm, it may not attract audiences and therefore will anyways receive less views and engagement. YouTube's algorithm is constantly changing, adapting and updating. So, instead of trying to continuously understand what the algorithm wants to see, focus on what your audience enjoys. They turn to your content for a reason. Quality over quantity. According to MrBeast, quality gives your video exponential success per unit of effort. Quantity relies on building a more extensive content repository and achieving incremental success. Putting 20% more effort into a video can triple the outcome of views or monetary gains. This is a tip MrBeast had to learn firsthand. When he first started on YouTube, he was posting videos one after another with very little concern about the quality of the content. However, the video that ultimately caused his channel to go viral, counting to 100,000, took the creator 44 hours to make. That's when Jimmy Donaldson understood that the extra effort pays off. Now, MrBeast uploads 1 video a month, but he pours a lot of effort into that one video. While posting many videos in a short amount of time can help increase your channel's inventory and can allow you to test what content works and what doesn't work. MrBeast is confident that quality will help you grow your reach, your success, and ultimately your monetary gains. So there you have it, the MrBeast blueprint for YouTube success and money-making mastery. From thumbnail mastery to audience adoration and quality content, Jimmy Donaldson's journey is an inspiration for all aspiring content creators. What's your biggest takeaway from MrBeast's strategy? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more in-depth breakdowns just like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.